Hello there everyone. Once again, my name is Bullen and this is Bullen Shot It. I just want to take you to enjoy the sea, to enjoy the water, to enjoy the view. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Yes, 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 everyone. I hope you are enjoying it. I hope you enjoy it. So this is the sea, this is the ocean. People are at the beach, they're enjoying themselves. You can see going all to that side, coming this way. It's one of the biggest water bodies that you can ever see. And what makes it even unique is that the rocks, that sound of the water, you know, that's, to hear the water sound, you know, even when you're having a hard or a stressful day. And by the way, this is the therapy I use. I don't visit people to go to the therapies. I just come by the big water bodies like this. I sit and enjoy myself, and my mind come back automatically. My mind relax, my mood change, and I call it a day. This is how I use my day to always give myself comfort. Even when I was back home, we are living next by the Nile, by the river Nile, and what I always do is that I just come next to the, you know, next to the water and sit there, enjoy my time there. You know, it's always one of the best things to do because it relaxes my mind. I don't know how it is with you, but for me, coming to the, you know, water bodies like this, sitting there and enjoying my time is one of the ways that always make me, you know, to be relaxed, just to relax myself, to chill and to remove stress from my mind. It has always been like that. And I'm not going to give to let it go. Wherever there's water or wherever there's a mountain, just to go and give you that, you know, landscape. And by the way, I was surprised that the one time a doctor told me that this thing, what you are doing is not wrong, because actually the human brain need this thing to relax. You must always go to these places. Whenever you find yourself you are having stress, go sit there and enjoy your time. It will make your mind relax, and it will remove the stress in your mind. You know, the overthinking and all of this, you know, you cannot say no to overthinking. We all know that. You know, to sit down and to think so much, you can never say no to it. But it's a part of, you know, human nature. As long as you are alive, you must always think and think and think and think. Maybe there's something that's not going well with you. You have to think about it. It doesn't make you, you know, a bad person or, you know, whatever that comes with it. It's a nature of a human, but letting it go to the next level, to the level whereby it's giving you trauma, it's giving you stress, that one now is wrong. It's totally wrong. But I don't see any reason to sit down and to think about something that's not going well. And I believe even those that are watching this video, you can just sit in your room, you know, lie on your bed, and by watching this video alone, this good video, this nicely shot video, it can make your mind relax. You see, it can make you relax, because therapy comes in so many ways. Okay, therapy comes in so many ways. There are those that must go to the doctor. There are those that like, there's a chilling spot that you go, just go and chill with your friends or by yourself. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you feel good and you come back and you start your day again. So my message to you, my dear followers, is that don't allow stress to overcome you. It's okay to think, but don't let it go to a point you are becoming depressed. You are becoming totally depressed, like you are losing your mind. No, it shouldn't be that way. Your life is important. Your goals are there to be achieved. Any big dream will give you stress. And by the way, stress make you, you know, to be goal-oriented, to be self-driven. So me myself, I can say that I don't have a problem with someone who thinks a lot or someone having stress. But my message is, don't let it become a depression. Don't let it become a depression. This is my message for you. And once again, my name is your boy Bullen. My name is Bullen. And thank you for watching Bullen Shot It. Until we meet again next time.